Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create shared album in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the gallery app on your Samsung phone. Click on plus at the top right. Click on shared album. Now give your shared album a name. So just go ahead, give it a name. Then click on create. Then should say invite people, choose contact or add Samsung account, and then share link. Now go ahead and click on share link. Then select the person you want to invite to join you here, and then click on OK. Then this is going to create a shared album for you on your Samsung phone. And if you don't want to share the link, you want to invite people, so just go ahead and create your shared album on your Samsung phone. And after that, click on create. Then click on choose contact and invite. Go ahead and select your contact. So you can also click on this drop menu to select all, or use this to search for their email and then send this to. And after that, click on invite. Click on OK. Then this is going to create a shared album on your Samsung phone, and the particular person will be able to access the shared album that you created. So you can now go ahead and add all your photos to the shared album so that whoever have access to the shared album will have access to it on your Samsung phone. So you can see we have our shared album here, and then that's it. So that's exactly how to create shared album on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.